just don't mind Gian.
Subscribe my channel.
Hey!
Guys,
Sorry.
subscribe to my channel.
Sorry, my baby
Buttons.
Sorry, my baby brother is so annoying. Maybe, and after we're in Bicol. Also, we're in the cold place that we're going to beach here and there. We have aircon
Everybody has
and we have TV. Then we have beds and also Ron and Mother. Alright, maybe you need like this video if you like part 2.
No, I don't want to. Don't like, guys. Even though he doesn't get likes, he still makes part 2.
Huh? It's okay. Maybe my siblings are so annoying.
No, I'm not.
Don't try. Oh, if you like this part 2 and like this video and don't trust my siblings because they are so cool.